Like, I don't know what managed care is, but if it's something that makes my life like better, I'd love it.
그게 파초이 모두가 파리고 도마사리카토. What? Managed care? I don't need nothing about managed care. I got things to do. I'm a professional. The last thing I want to do is worry about my computer. But since I'm here, what is managed care?
Well, hello. I'm not a doctor, but I watch quite a bit on TV. Today we're going to talk about Managed Care 101, the 4 basics of managed care. The number 1 thing is hard drive monitoring. You know, all your stuff on your computer is stored on your hard drive. Your pictures, your documents, your family photos, your finances, your address book. And if the hard drive ever crashes, you may lose all that data. And we have about 1 client a week with that situation. If you put on our program, we have 2 different programs which monitor the hard drive and look for potential errors happening in the future so you can have your best chance of protecting your data. The next one is CryptoLocker Threat Reduction. CryptoLocker is a nasty virus. It'll hold you ransom, just like some of these companies on the news, such as the hospital who had to pay money, or the county seat, the attorney general had to pay money. Those people had to pay quite a bit because they got the ransomware virus. We put a small program on your computer which does its best efforts to have a threat reduction of the CryptoLocker virus onto your computer. The next one's patch management. You know how aggravating it is with all those pop-ups telling you update something and you're not really sure if you should or not? Patch management will let us take care of that in the background. We'll take care of the Windows patches, which happen every Tuesday, by the way, and some of the other ones for other programs on your computer. Finally, the last one is free LogMeIn remote access to customers. LogMeIn is traditionally $150 per year for you to remotely access your computer while you're on vacation, home, or at work, and that's included free in our subscription. Those are the 4 major points.
I listened to the whole video and I still don't understand.
Okay, so if you still don't understand, what you could do is you could send me an email at this email address right here, okay, and I could answer some of the questions with you via email, or you could pick up one of these. This is the telephone, by the way, and you could call us at this number right here and let us know if we can help you anymore. Thanks. Have a great day.